Come test drive the 2016 Toyota Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable mid-size car. Reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, trip computer, rear window defroster, CD player, electronic stability control, brake assist, panic alarm, overhead console, tachometer, remote keyless entry, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps, power driver's seat, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats. Your new ride is just a phone call away.